you look at the truck.
Beautiful.
Can we keep it like this? With the ice cream, of course.
We have a really typical work order for you today. You're manning the Tricon Ice Cream Truck. You've stacked some college.
Okay. Wow. Good job. Ah, bueno. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
I love the community itself. I mean, I love that my kids are able to play and enjoy themselves. I love that we have events like this where we can get free ice cream and all that good stuff.
Very surprised when I first heard it. I thought it was a great idea. Super hot, so I think it was really fun. It's a good change of pace, you know, engage with the residents. It's not something we do every day. It's a good way to engage with them in a positive way. You know, and do something else for the kids. Nothing is set in stone, but we've been talking about maybe, you know, doing it on the weekends, you know, and maybe open our shop.